A small spill can escalate in minutes. Are you prepared? Introducing the 25 liters oil spill kit, your all-in-one, rapid response solution. Let's see what's inside. 20 oil absorbent pads for maximum absorption. 2 oil absorbent socks for perimeter containment. 1 yellow disposal bag and tie for safe waste handling. 1 pair of protective gloves and safety goggles. 1 clear instruction manual for immediate, step-by-step guidance. Safety comes first. Always wear the provided goggles and gloves before handling any spill. Use the absorbent socks to quickly surround and contain the spreading oil. Lay absorbent pads over the contained oil to start the absorption process. In moments, the pads fully absorb the oil, leaving a clean surface. Safely place all used absorbents into the disposal bag, seal it securely with the tie, and dispose of it responsibly. Compact and ready when you need it. Store your 25 liters oil spill kit near machinery, in work areas, or wall-mounted for easy access. JXY 25 liters oil spill kit: readiness, efficiency, and safety in one package. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.